Pisces, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH, and we will see what are the energies coming to you in the next 7 days from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to, because this is a timeless reading, so anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo. This reading is for you. And of course, general reading, pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi, just take what resonates. And another reminder, hindi po ako magme-message or magpo-follow sa inyo para mag-offer ng services. Beware of fake accounts and scammers. So kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com. Okay, let's see. Pisces. Timeless reading, next 7 days. What's the energy? Black Moon Lilith, this is power. You are harnessing your power, Pisces. Yung iba sa inyo, may mga pinagdaanan kayong challenges. Tapos yung challenges na yun yung nagpatibay sa inyo. You are like coming back. Like, merong with vengeance, ganon. Or someone na very wise at alam na niya kung ano yung kanyang mga karapatan at yung kanyang lakas. Pwede kasi yung iba sa inyo, may nag-take advantage sa'yo in the past. And you feel like meron kang naging limitation doon. Or meron mga taong yung iba kasi yung pag-take advantage nila is a form of abuse. So, this can be abuse of money, abuse of power, but, ngayon, you are coming back stronger. You are coming back even more powerful. Last quarter. So, you are also releasing anything that is no longer serving you. No, yung mga pinagdaanan mo, yung pain, yung suffering, lahat yan nire-release mo kasi alam mo na tapos na, at alam mo na you have gained knowledge, you have gained power and strength galing dun sa mga pinaghirapan mo na yun or mga challenges, pagsubok na yun. And you also have growth, ayan na. So kaya nga after transforming, after taking back your power, you are in the process of growing. Mas napapaunlad mo yung sarili mo. Mas may potential ka ngayon na mag-explore ng mga bagong bagay sa buhay mo. Ang earth energy is about your resources, your stability. So, yun yung magiging focus mo in the next 7 days. Your stability. Let's see what else. For Pisces, overall energy next 7 days. Ace of Wands. This is new beginning, new opportunities. Maaring merong travel opportunities sa inyo in the next 7 days. Inspiration din to. So you are feeling inspired. Inspired to try new things, to explore. Now your challenge is the Fool. Ayan. So the Fool energy is about taking a risk. So, this is the time for you to take a risk. Dahil you've been through a lot Marami ka nang napagdaanan. So, ngayon ka pa ba matatakot na sumubok ng bago? 'Di ba? So, this is new experience for you. This can be a new experience in your career or business or living condition or even relationship. Na ngayon, mas malakas ka, alam mo na mas kaya mo, ano man yung maging challenge. Now, your opportunity is authority, the King of Swords. So you are someone na in control of your life, na kumbaga pinagdaanan mo na yon na parang you are at mercy of someone, na kumbaga kung dati ikaw umaasa ka sa ibang tao or may kumokontrol sa buhay mo, ngayon ikaw na yung may control sa buhay mo. You have the opportunity to be in charge of your life. Now, your blessing is justice or balance. And as a blessing, this can be fairness and equality, na kung meron mga taong nakagawa ng pagkakamali sa'yo or merong nilamangan ka, the blessing here is you will get the justice that you deserve. Kung ano yung dinideserve mo. And then, yung mga pinaghirapan mo, yung mga pinagpaguran mo, sacrifices mo, lahat yan makikita mo yung resulta. Okay? Magiging maganda yung resulta niyan para sa'yo. Because that is your blessing. And then your focus is judgment, which is rebirth. Oh, it makes sense. Ibig sabihin nito, oh, 'di ba? You're rising from the ashes. Like what I've mentioned sa inyo kanina, yung pagbabalik mo, you are taking back your power, oh, Pluto energy, transformation. You are reinventing yourself. This is like a brand new you. 'Di ba? Na magugulat yung iba, oh my God, ikaw na ba yan? Pisces. 'Di ba? Hindi ka na nila makikilala kasi you are stronger than before. Let's see what else. You have crystal. This is healing. Oh, 'di ba? You are healing from your past, healing from your trauma. You are purifying yourself. You are aligning yourself. Kaya nga meron kang nire-release eh. Anything that is no longer serving you, this can be a connection, a situation, a toxic environment na alam mong hindi na in alignment, no? Sa mga goals mo. Kaya mas magaan sa pakiramdam na mag-move on, na magpatuloy sa buhay. Also have whale, so makes sense kasi whale is about balance. You are balancing your life. I also see you na mas nagiging totoo ka sa sarili mo, mas nagiging authentic ka in how you show yourself or you share yourself to the world. Hindi ka na people pleaser. Kung dati yung ang tendency, you please other people kahit na nasa-sacrifice na yung sarili mong katotohanan, 'di ba? But ngayon, alam mo kasi na may mga taong nag-take advantage niyan sa'yo. So ngayon, kumbaga ano ka, yung sinatawag nilang sorry not sorry, na you will be your authentic self. And then you have eagle, ayan. So eagle is about perspective. 'Di ba ang mga eagle, pag lumipad yan, napakataas. So nakikita nila yung surroundings na kumbaga meron silang advantage na makita yung mas malawak na point of view kesa sa mga nasa baba. So, for you, this is your power. Kasi meron kang mas malawak na perspective. This can be symbolic sa buhay mo. Mas naging wiser ka. Dahil mas malawak na yung pangunawa mo, paniniwala mo, no? Yung iyong pananaw sa buhay. Let's see. What else? Speak up, oh, 'di ba? This is also yung authenticity. If you avoid conflict to keep the peace, you start a war inside yourself. That is true. Kasi for some of you, tiniis nyo yun eh, na kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, you just keep it to yourself kasi gusto mo lang na ma-please yung ibang tao. But ngayon, you will be expressive na kung may ayaw ka, ayaw mo. Kung gusto mo, gusto mo. Ganun. 'Di ba? Surrender. Oh, ang ganda rin nito. Stop trying to control life. It gets in the way of divine intervention. There are times na meron na hindi natin kontrolado ang isang sitwasyon. And minsan, the more na parang we try to control the situation, kahit it's beyond our control, nagiging frustrated lang tayo. 'Di ba? So, anything na hindi mo kontrolado, you surrender. Para mas magaan ang daloy, kumbaga. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. See you again.